Hello everyone. If you are interested in cellular communication or high-speed network communication or multimedia communication, welcome to this minor specialization called Advanced Networking System. Under this minor specialization, four subjects are coming up: mobile computing, multimedia communication, next generation telecommunication networks, and last one is software-defined networking. Coming to the mobile computing, we are going to study about different components of mobile communication. Here, how the mobile to mobile communication takes place, how to the handoff takes place when you move from one tower to another tower location that you're going to study. Later, you're going to study about computing services like between the client and servers. What are the services are going to takes place? How the communication takes place between client and server that you're going to study. And the last, you are going to study about different protocols of mobile communication technologies. And here also you're going to study about computation. If there is a network issues are there and how to solve. Suddenly network bandwidth gone down, how to adapt for the available resource that you're going to study in mobile computing. Coming to the next one, multimedia communication. Identify the major elements involved in the multimedia communication. Next, analyze the operation of commonly used coding techniques. Different coding techniques before transferring your raw data to the internet, how to encode that data and how to decode the data when you receive from the internet to your system, how to decode and how to display on your screen. That you're going to study here. And before transmitting the data is huge, and how to compress the data and it make is to travel in a network easily without consuming much bandwidth, and when it reaches to the destination and how to be decompressed and how to be displayed on screen without lossing of data, or other techniques are there, lossless technique and lossy technique. Two techniques are coming up, and further in different varieties are coming in that techniques. Interfere with the basics of MD, and multimedia operating systems. And the last, you are going to summarize the basics of synchronization issues in the multimedia communication between the client and server. So what is the issues are going to face, how to overcome that issues. Next, you are going to study about next generation telecom networks. Here you are going to study about different technologies that is in a cellular network, how it evolved from 1G to 5G. Now currently research is going on 6G, and you have to analyze the performance of current and newly introduced the telecommunication network. Currently 4G is going on now, but slightly now 5G is introduced. Now, what is the difference between 4G and 5G? How the performance issues are there in 4G and how it is overcome in 5G? And what are the issues are coming up in 5G that will be cope up in 6G? So identify the need for each of these mobile communication technologies in different applications. We should know that why from 1G to 5G we have evolved, what is the reason behind, which are the applications we are not able to cope up, and how the next generation has been supported for that application. Lastly, we are going to study about software-defined networking. Here, summarize the emerging software-defined networking technologies. The olden days, you're going to study about a device, for example, hardware, routers or switches. If the new technologies are coming in routers, we have to replace the full complete hardware. Now, the current software-defined network is that here the changes only the software part, not in the hardware part. Hardware keep remaining as it is, but only the softwares are going to change. So it saves a lot for the operators. Justify the need of the control and data plane separation in the SDN, because in SDN it comes under three layers: application layer, control layer, and network devices are there. How the data plane and control planes are being played well. Then design the suitable network policies using the software defined standards for different applications. Based on the applications, you have to design or choose the appropriate network policies in the software defined network. And also the look into the software things which we can use. Last one is that applying the traffic engineering concept here, how to balance the load between the one router to another or one server to another server, how to balance the load and make utilization of network resource very well. I hope this course, this minor specialization will suits for you. Thank you.